How to fix message not sent tab to try again problem. So let's go. So first go to setting. Now click on dual SIM and cellular data. Now click on the SIM where problem showing. Now disable the SIM. Now again enable. Now go back. Click on prefer network type. Click again on prefer network type. Now choose 4G, 3G, 2G or 2. Now go back and go to additional setting. Now click on application management. Now scroll down and find messages. Click on message. Now first clear cache and clear data. Tap on OK. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now your problem will be fixed easily.